you or somebody you know get the hiccups a lot? He currently has the hiccups. Well, we got this great hiccup straw, so we wanted to just show you how it works. So on the bottom, the little piece just removes, there's a side for adult and a side for a child. So since he's the one with the hiccups here, we'll put it in the water. So you just remove it and then you can put it on. So the adult one, the hole is a little bit bigger than the child one. So we are going to, one second buddy, sorry. Put it onto the child one. Then you just grab your cup of water, put it in. Okay, go ahead and drink. You getting any? Hey, let's see. Take it out. Do you still have the hiccups?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's wait a second and see if it worked.
I need to wait a dot.
I think your hiccups are gone.
Yay.
As easy as that. We just store ours in our drawer with all of our other straws. When you have the hiccups, you just come get it, adjust it if you're an adult or a child, and the hiccups will be gone. If you're in the market and looking for a great hiccup straw, then look no further because we, 10 out of 10, recommend.